Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0369, pertains to an intermittent interruption in the camshaft position CMP sensor circuit in the Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. This error indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, is unable to receive a consistent signal from the CMP sensor. The CMP sensor, located on the camshaft, plays a critical role in determining the position of the camshaft in relation to the crankshaft, which is essential for optimal engine timing and performance. When the PCM detects an intermittent signal, it triggers the DTC P0369, indicating that further investigation is needed to pinpoint the issue. This may lead to symptoms like engine misfires, poor acceleration, or even stalling. Early diagnosis is crucial to prevent potential engine damage and ensure vehicle reliability. The DTC P0369 indicates an intermittent disruption in the camshaft position CMP sensor circuit. The CMP sensor is critical for the engine management system as it helps the PCM determine the camshaft position, which is vital for regulating fuel injection and ignition timing. This sensor is typically mounted on the camshaft and communicates its position to the PCM for optimal engine function. An intermittent interruption suggests that the signal from the CMP sensor is not consistently reaching the PCM, leading to potential performance issues. The vehicle may exhibit symptoms such as reduced engine efficiency or increased emissions. Identifying the root cause of this intermittent signal is crucial to restoring proper vehicle performance. Several potential causes may lead to the DTC P0369 being triggered. Poor connections in the wiring harness can disrupt communication between the CMP sensor and the PCM, resulting in an intermittent signal. Similarly, loose terminals at either component can cause sporadic disconnections. A damaged CMP sensor itself may also be to blame, as physical damage can impede its function. In some cases, the fault may reside within the PCM, leading to incorrect readings or failures in signal processing. It is essential to investigate each of these areas systematically to ascertain the root cause of the DTC. Regular maintenance and proper inspections can help catch these issues early, preventing more significant problems down the line. Symptoms associated with DTC P0369 can significantly impact the vehicle's performance. One common symptom is engine misfires, which occur when the engine fails to ignite the fuel-air mixture properly, leading to uneven engine operation. Drivers may also notice poor acceleration. This happens when the engine cannot maintain the necessary power due to inconsistent timing signals. Rough idling is another potential symptom, characterized by erratic engine speeds while the vehicle is at a standstill. In some cases, the vehicle may even stall completely due to these signal issues. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in diagnosing the DTC and ensuring timely repairs are made to avoid further complications and potential vehicle damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0369 involves verifying the problem through idling. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC codes stored in the vehicle's memory. After successfully clearing the codes, start the engine and allow it to idle for 10 seconds, which provides the system an opportunity to monitor and gather necessary data. Following this, check the onboard diagnostics, OBD, status for DTC P0369 through the HDS. If the HDS indicates a failed status, it confirms that the failure is replicated and further investigation is needed. Conversely, if the status reads passed or not completed, additional diagnostic steps may be required based on the current situation. The second troubleshooting step involves conducting a test drive of the vehicle to further assess the situation with DTC P0369. During this test drive, it's crucial to operate the vehicle for several minutes while monitoring certain recorded freeze data parameters like engine speed and vehicle speed. This step allows for observing how the engine performs under real driving conditions while gathering significant data. After the test drive, again, utilize the HDS to check the OBD status for the DTC. If the status indicates failed, it confirms a recurring issue requiring attention. If passed, the issue may be intermittent and the system appears functional at that time. However, any loose connections should be examined. If the status displays not completed, continue driving until the OBD system provides a result. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the condition of the CMP sensor circuit connectors and terminals. Begin by checking the connections at the CMP sensor itself, as well as the powertrain control module, PCM, to identify any poor connections or loose terminals. It's essential to verify that all terminals are secure, as even the slightest disconnection can lead to intermittent signaling issues. Additionally, checking the engine ground and body ground connections is crucial, as any inconsistency in grounding can contribute to electrical issues. If all connections are confirmed to be secure and in good condition, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if any faults are found, it's critical to repair those connections to ensure proper communication within the circuit. The fourth step in troubleshooting DTC P0369 involves visually inspecting the CMP pulse plate and camshaft pulley for any signs of damage. The CMP pulse plate, situated on the camshaft pulley, plays a crucial role in generating the signal that the CMP sensor uses to inform the PCM of the camshaft's position. If this pulse plate is found to be damaged, it can lead to the symptoms associated with DTC P0369. In such a case, replacing the camshaft pulley is necessary to resolve the issue. If the pulse plate appears intact without any visible damage, the next step would be to replace the CMP sensor itself, as it may be malfunctioning or unable to provide a stable signal. Properly diagnosing this step is essential to ensure that the issue is fully resolved and that the engine operates smoothly. Following the completion of repairs related to DTC P0369, it's vital to conduct a final verification of the repairs. Start by utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm that the DTC has been successfully cleared and that there are no lingering issues present. This validation step ensures that the repairs made have effectively resolved the problem. After confirming through HDS, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to observe its performance under typical driving conditions. During this test drive, be vigilant for any recurring issues that may indicate a need for further diagnosis. Ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly without the return of DTC P0369 reinforces the effectiveness of the repairs. A successful verification will restore confidence in the vehicle's reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in avoiding future issues associated with DTC P0369. Regular inspections of all electrical connectors and terminals are advisable to ensure they remain tight and free of corrosion. This includes checking the CMP sensor connection and the PCM connections, as these are vital for optimal function. Additionally, periodic sensor checks can identify early signs of wear or potential failure, allowing for proactive replacements. Keeping the PCM updated with the latest software can also prevent miscommunication between components. Overall, a commitment to routine preventive maintenance not only enhances vehicle performance, but can also extend the lifespan of critical engine components, providing peace of mind for the owner. In conclusion, DTC P0369 highlights an intermittent interruption in the camshaft position sensor circuit, which is crucial for proper engine timing and performance in the Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. A thorough inspection of wiring, connections, and components is essential for accurately diagnosing and resolving the issue. Each troubleshooting step serves a specific purpose in identifying the root cause of the DTC. From initial verification to final repair confirmation, implementing preventive measures can remarkably reduce the likelihood of recurrence by ensuring all connections remain secure and components are periodically inspected. Recognizing the symptoms early and acting promptly will definitely enhance the vehicle's reliability and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.